Hey everybody, welcome back to another crafty video. Christmas in July, Christmas in July, so fun. Actually, I'm getting started on stuff. So when December gets here, all I have to do is decorate and put it where I want, whatever. So I did a video a while back on this little flower box, and I don't think I showed it all done. So now we are going to do all done. It was a planter that I got for Mother's Day or something, I don't know. And I keep seeing these on Pinterest, the little mailboxes for Santa Claus and stuff. I'm like, I want to make one. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I want to make one. And I thought maybe I would do like a different mantle setup this year. I just finished the reindeer box one. Now I have this. And it's not going to get finished today, but we are going to do the best we can because I don't have the decoration stuff that I need to put on here. So I think I'm going to have to print out some more stencils for more vinyl for, I'm not quite sure what I want it to say. Santa's mailbox or something on here. I do have little snowflakes that I can put on here. So anyway, it was open and my husband put a top on it like this. And then I said, I need a stem on it so it'll stand up. So it's been out in the shop for a little while, so he put this on there. I just glued it on the little, I got these little wooden handles, you know, like that you put on a dresser or whatever. And I just glued it on with some wood glue. And he put a screw in here and a screw in the bottom for a base. He made me my base. And so now it can go up or it can be down. It's kind of, I gotta tighten up the screw a little bit here, but so that you can put it up for mail. But it needs another coat. I started it. So I might have to paint a couple of coats and of paint. When next time I go to Walmart, I'm gonna have to get some more red, green, white, big paint like this. So if I have more little projects, which I do. I thought I said in the beginning of July that I had a couple of projects I wanted to do that I didn't get done yesterday. I got a wreath I still have to do. I had that reindeer box, I have this, and there's my little ladder thing. So that's 4. And I just found another one, so there's 5. So I'm hoping that the majority of it I can get done in time for Christmas. So I can, so it'll be cute. So I thought I'd come on and show you the after of this. I'm probably going to have to paint it in 2 sections because I have to put this part down. I figure out what I may end up having to put another latch on here, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet because I can find one. I thought I had one lying around. I don't know if my husband has one out in his shop, in his wood shop, that has the like little lever and then you can put it in. I don't know if he has one of those. I may have to pick one up when I go back to Walmart. I'll make a list on what I need while I'm doing this. But I may end up having to do like 2 or 3 coats, probably don't know. And I could put, like, I'm not gonna redo the inside, I don't think. No, we'll put a coat on. It doesn't need to be. It doesn't really need one. But I'll probably put one on anyway. But this is a fun, cute, I mean, you can buy these already done. But I didn't want to spend any money. I'm like, I'm doing things with what I have in my craft room to get rid of. I want to use up a lot of my stuff I have in here, if I can. So, yeah. So we will, before I do the top, I'll do the bottom here so I have something to hang on to. And they're just so cute. A lot of them were painted red, and I didn't want to do red. I probably should have, though, because it covers the white, doesn't cover very well. You always end up having to do like 5 coats or something, and I don't want to do 5 coats. And I don't know how much white, I don't know how much white I have left. I don't think I have another bottle of this. I might. I don't think so. So I may have to get some more white paint. If I can do it in 1 coat, that would be awesome. I think I can, because a lot of this is going to be decorated. So I'm not going to have to worry so much. It's going to be decorated. But yeah. Well, I hope you guys like the Christmas in July videos so far. I have gotten a few more subscribers. Thank you very, very much. And I didn't know if you knew that I had done a giveaway, which is over now, but I don't think I've closed it. I may have. But there's going to be another one, but it's going to be a crafty one, not a beauty one. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So it'll hopefully get done before fall, and then that way everybody can make use of, or whoever wins anyway, can make use of all the little things I got going on. So that's coming up. So a little chit chat while we're painting. Let's see. Side. So I don't think I'm going to have to redo the bottom. I think this is going to be fine down here, but this is most definitely going to have to be redone because it didn't cover so well the first time I did it. So we will do it again. Covering pretty good now, so maybe I won't have to do it again. Plus it's going to get decorated, so it won't be seen. Might have to do one more coat on it. Woo! But that's okay. I don't mind. And I can do that off camera, so. it'll be cute. So comment down below what you're making, if anything, or if you're just watching the videos everybody's doing, which is fine too. That's how I've started watching some of them, because Christmas is further away than Halloween. I see more Halloween stuff, but I'm doing Christmas in July 1st, and then August I will start doing fall. I've got my Halloween cart, and I've got a couple projects that are going to go along with that one, so it goes hand in hand. So that'll be fun. And yeah, but I've done a couple of fall videos already. They're just not posted. They're up, but they're private. I just haven't posted them yet. And then I do like the videos in between. Like I've been posting these on the weekends. So the month of July, every weekend there's this Christmas in July. I do those on the weekends. So during the week, if I have extra ones, the hauls or the odd stuff, like I just put up a couple of different ones that you can watch until the weekend. Because I don't post on this channel very often. Mostly in the holiday time frame, but I've been doing like weekends. I've been trying to post on weekends, and then if I end up having something else, then that comes up. So, what kind of things are you going to do for Christmas this year? I am doing my December daily. I think by the time you see this, you've already seen my December daily setup. And I'm doing a gingerbread house this year, and which will be fun. I've got a project with the December daily cover that I've been mulling over, but I'm not sure how to do it. I want to do something different than what I've seen everybody else do, so it's going to be a little different, and I got to sit down here and think about it and try to figure out how I'm going to do it. I don't know. I'm stuck. I am stuck. I've been looking up videos and everything, and I haven't seen anybody do what I want to do. So I'm not sure how to do it. So I think I'm on my own. I'll have to see. Once I figure it out, though, I will be doing a video on that. I haven't even finished last year's yet. I've got everything together. It's in a box. I just have to sit down and put it together. I mean, it's partly together. I'm just not. I like the planning. I like the planning part of it, and getting everything together. But actually putting it together, I kind of suck at, because it takes time. I usually take it camping with me, so if it rains or something like that, I can work on it. I'm trying to cover up the holes, and I don't know if you can see the holes. I'm trying to cover those up. Trying. And I'm almost done. So I'm not sure if I want to decorate this like, because I'm doing the gingerbread theme kind of thing. And I found the gingerbread house. I showed you guys that. I'm not sure if I want to decorate this like that. In that. I mean, I could change it every year, I guess. Just don't put anything on it. Don't glue anything on it. Just kind of use zip ties or something. And then I can change it every year. That's a consideration too for this, but I don't know. There. I don't know if you can see, you can see the, I don't know if you can see the writing through it, if you notice, but it's going to get decorated. So, there is my little mailbox that I wanted to do for December. It's going to be so cute when it's done. So I'm kind of prepping everything in July. And then in December, on days I don't have videos or whatever, or before that, probably in November time frame, because by then all the stuff will be out that I can buy to decorate with. I can get this going, and then when I set up the mantle, when I decorate the inside of the house, which is usually December 1st, I can, and I'll do a home tour kind of thing, because I decorate the outside and my living room, dining room, and a little bit in the kitchen. And so you'll be able to see it. So that is about it. Then we've got 20 minutes here into this thing. And I want to get going on my other one so I can get that video going. Get these videos going. So there's the start of that. So yeah, if you find these at the Goodwill or whatever, and then you can make your own thing, stand or whatever, or just the box itself, just a little mailbox itself. You can get tin ones, but they're littler, and I didn't want that. I wanted a wooden one, so I actually had this, been sitting down here forever. I'm like, I'm gonna make something of that this year, so here it is. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I didn't do a whole lot. I have to get everything together to decorate it, and I don't have very much. I'm gonna go through my stash. I have these little decor pieces, and it says peace, joy, love, believe, and joy will fit on here. I don't know if I'll use it or not. I don't know. I've got different stuff I can do. I'm gonna go on Pinterest again and look at these other mailboxes, and then make notes on what I want it, how I want it to. I know I gotta get some evergreen, and I'll probably put a battery operated light, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. If you've done one of these, message me a picture. I don't think you can post it in the comments. You might be able to. Comment down below, let me see yours. I want to see what you have and all of that. Give me some ideas. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.